Alright fellas, Average Model Guy here. Just showing you my nice little messy workstation here. As you can see, I got parts scattered everywhere. Some off-camera work, as usual. Go ahead and come over here. We went ahead and got the, get the hood off so it don't fall. Went and got the windshield in here. Our paint job. Got that one coat of clear on this. I think that should do good. I want it to look somewhat shiny, but somewhat dull, if that makes any sense. And I got the little bumper guard on the front there. Went ahead and did the engine. I'll go ahead and show you that. Here we go. Very unique with the exhaust. Never seen one come off top like that before. But that's what it calls for. Got a carburetor and our air cleaner on there. Valve covers, alternator, fan, starter, distributor on there. But yep, that's what we got for the engine. What I've been working on. Zoom on down here. And working on the chassis, or chassis. Come down in here, show you. Here we got the pedals and then the steering all down in there. Got some of the, I guess it's going to be part of the roll cage, two little white pieces there. Flip this upside down. Oh, and I guess I show you the battery. Detailed the battery out a little bit there. Flip her upside down. Got our drive shaft in. Our rear end in. Hey, there's one thing I did want to point out with this model, when and if you guys decide to build it for your own, is that right here on the chassis, let me see if I can zoom in without getting too much of a shadow. This back piece back here connects to this piece here, so via these two little spots right here. Okay, now there is two holes on these pieces here. Make sure you go for the back hole and make sure it's lined up accordingly. If not, it'll shorten up all this stuff and you won't be able to connect any of these pieces right. So I got to re-put the drive shaft in here because of that. I just wanted to make sure you guys were aware of that when you go to put that together. Front. Yep, so that's what we got done so far. I'll get some more work done and I'll be back. Alright guys, here's what we got. Got the roll cage, whole chassis assembly put together. One whole unit here. Flip her over. They're all painted. Zoom in a little bit here. See, got some detail work to do in here. I was got to put the seat, fire extinguisher, all that in here. But yep, she went together really good. Got the rest of our pieces over here we're gonna have to do for the final assembly. And when I come back, we'll have the final assembly all ready and put together. Alright, I will be back. Alright fellas, we got her done. Here's our 70 GTO Super Stocker. Go ahead and take off her hood. Come in here and see the engine. Got her all done. The side decal's done. 77 on there looking good. Inside there. See too well through there or not, but I did paint some details on the seat. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting, but I did some seat belts and stuff on there. Side pipe sticking out. There's our rear end. Yeah, overall this was a pretty fun build. I like this one. It was really quick and easy. Actually, once you got the roll cage assembly, was probably the toughest part. Just trying to line everything up because everything was in pieces. But other than that, it worked out really good. So, appreciate you guys watching this. If you don't mind, give me a like. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next model build. The next one is going to be big. That's all I'm going to say. We'll do an unboxing video and we'll go from there. Thanks again.